In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to efficiently search for emails in Zoho Mail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, log into Zoho Mail at https://mail.zoho.com. Once in your inbox, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is your key tool to finding emails quickly. You can search by keywords, sender names, email addresses, or even phrases from the subject or body of the email. If you remember the sender's domain, like @paypal.com, that works too. Simply type your search query into the bar and press enter. Within seconds, Zoho Mail will display all matching emails. This instant search saves you time and helps you locate important messages without scrolling endlessly through your inbox. And that's it. Mastering Zoho Mail's search feature makes managing your emails fast and easy.